So here's another closer look. So as you can see, it actually bent and damaged the fascia to the slide out. So that's this piece of metal that goes all the way from the top to the bottom. It damaged the J metal. So you can see where it impacted the J metal. It threw the room out of alignment and it threw the gearing off. So we're gonna check and see if there's any damage to the slide out rail or the gears. Back here is where it ripped the wall that's normally mounted up against the surface and ripped the wall all that distance over. It damaged the Darko material. It pulled it out from underneath, and then the rail from the inside. So kind of difficult to see, so I'll try to brighten it up in the video. But basically there's just a small little piece of angle iron or angle aluminum that attaches this wall to this floor. So not much in there. But anyway, stay tuned for more, and we hope you like this. Thanks so much for watching.